Pox virus by أحمد يعقوب بدر عثمان البندر والعمر. Plumpox Norashoka is the most devastating disease of stone fruit from the genus Prunus. Species that can include peach, nectarine, almond, and cherry. The realm is Ribivoria. The kingdom is Orthinovoria. The phylum is specific Cota. Class is Stellopervercates. And the order is Potatovirales. And the family is Potivardi. And the genus is Potivirus, and the species is the Plumpox virus.
Main symptoms. It takes a few years for you to notice the symptoms of the virus, and it may be too late. If it is too late, these are the symptoms below. The main symptom of Plux virus is plant will be severely deformed and develop darker rings or spots on the skin, and will develop a reddish discoloration of flesh. Infected trees may or may not produce visual symptoms on leaves and fruits, but crops yield may be reduced, even symptomless trees.
Mode of transmission. The Plumpox virus can be transported long distances in infected plant materials and is transmitted from infected trees by insects or by transferring or budding.
Treatments and ways to prevent. Careful regulation and control of plant material is important so that only pathogen-free material is used commercially. If you are a grower or a nursery, make sure you have a buying certified plant materials that have been virus tested. Also, extensive surveys, removal, and destruction of infected trees may help prevent the disease from spreading further when it gets infected. There is no cure or treatment for it.
Here is the YouTube video about the Plumpox virus.
Plumpox virus was first reported on plum trees in Bulgaria in 1915 and subsequently spread throughout Europe, Asia, and Africa. It was first discovered in the United States in 1999 on a peach orchard in Pennsylvania. Plumpox is easily transported long distances in infected plant material like nursing stock. If these materials are used for budding or grafting, it can be transmitted to a new host. Aphids transmit the disease across short distances through feeding. Plumpox causes yellowing of leaf veins and rings or blotches on the leaves and fruit. It results in low yield of stone fruits and reduces their marketability. In 2019, there was a big win for United States. $6.3 billion stone fruit industry. The USDA declared that plumpox was eradicated. If you watched last week's What Wednesday, you would remember the phytosanitary certificate, the NPPO, and the importance of exclusion for managing plant pathogens. Plumpox is a perfect example of success through these practices and organizations.
Thank you for listening.